Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Roomba vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Roomba vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Roomba vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Roomba vacuum. First, think about your floor type because some Roombas handle carpets better while others work best on hard floors. Next, check the battery life and charging time since longer runtimes are ideal for bigger homes. You should also look at suction power and cleaning performance to ensure it picks up dirt effectively. Smart features like app controls, voice commands, and mapping technology add convenience and efficiency. Don't forget to consider the dustbin capacity and how easy it is to empty. Maintenance requirements and the cost of replacement parts can also affect long-term value. Lastly, compare prices and read reviews to find the best balance between features and budget. Choosing the right Roomba means understanding your cleaning needs and priorities. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.